How was your summer?
Good.
Okay, just relax.
I know my toes are just so sensitive, you know.
I'll go gently.
It's just on the top of them.
Just on the tops up here?
Yeah, oh.
Okay. Is that right where I grabbed it?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
Can't help that.
So this was 2.5 months since we last trimmed everything.
Okay. I just file a couple of them down there catching on my socks.
Okay,
I take that big foot file, you know, that works good.
great. So you got anything good planned for the winter coming up? Any trips?
No, we don't. Pretty much home parties. How about you?
No, I don't have anything planned right now.
That one's been a little sore down on this corner. I think it gets a little
This corner?
of that action, you know.
This corner right here?
Yes,
Okay.
a little bit. Not too much. Better if I bend it down?
No, you're good. You were fine what was.
Okay.
So that way I can see the tip of it.
Is it ever going to grow to the end? You think, or,
Go ahead, sorry. You've heard.
for me?
Well,
That nail, just
yeah.
the way it used to be.
You know, it probably won't because it's not reattaching up
Okay,
here.
okay.
If it were reattaching, then
Right, yeah. Such a nice day today, isn't it?
I don't know, I've been here since before it was light, so
Oh,
it's still a little dark when I got here.
looks beautiful out.
I'll have to try and get out over lunch.
Kind of like yesterday.
Remember when I was a resident, because we would start surgery at 6:30, 7 in the mornings. In the winter, I came in, it was dark, I left, it was dark. I'd go like the whole
Sure.
week and not see the sun. That was tough. That was before they had all those light boxes you could use.
What do you mean a light box? But
So they have those boxes that have a certain wavelength of light that,
oh, you mean that's the
for the set, for
okay,
seasonal
sure, for that,
effective.
yeah,
Yeah.
I didn't know exactly what you meant. That one's been all tender again.
I bet, I can see that was digging way in.
I think someday we should just take out that whole corner again.
Well, you know, we can do a permanent removal of that nail edge.
Yeah.
We've talked about that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So that you'd still have a nail, it would just be a
Right.
little bit narrower.
I think I had that done once, but I don't think they used the acid or whatever.
To make it
that's in there.
permanent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He did such a nice job when he did it, but
Right, if you
you
don't,
can see they're still there.
right, if you don't kill the cells that make the nail, it'll grow back, but it'll give you a year before they start to bother you.
Yeah.
So, all right, let's just get all these sharp edges smoothed out.
This toe's getting more bent and all this. Doesn't straighten out anymore.
Okay, now when I push on that edge, does that feel like
That's
it's all
better.
out?
Yeah, I guess, yeah, it's better.
It doesn't hurt as much, okay.
Well, I don't go with sandals anyway, ever, so it doesn't matter what it looks like, I guess. If it's short or long, or that toenail.
Oh, the toenail?
It's just like they're really, really ticklish or something, but it's not ticklish, it's just really sensitive. I think it's from the neuropathy, probably.
You know, it very well could be. It just gives you a little bit of a hypersensitivity.
Oh,
I just want to go back to this one and make sure that I got that whole edge out.
feels like,
Feels like what?
feels like it.
Yeah, you know, if at some point you decide that you want to have that edge taken off, we can't do it on a day when we're doing nails and
No,
stuff.
no,
But
no.
you can just call and schedule and just
Sure.
say, I want to do that permanent thing for one
I know,
side.
because look how many times I've had infection in there, you know?
And it looks like it was sort of headed that way.
Sure.
So we're gonna just put a little bit of a, put a little Band-Aid with some antibiotic on it.
Think I should keep it wrapped up for a couple days again?
Yeah, just a couple days and it'll be fine.
Went on the floor.
Oh, okay. Excuse me, that one doesn't need it. And then we'll take care of that wart on the bottom of that right foot.
Okay.
And we're done here. But everything else looks really good. So, all right, great.